In this sort, we're going to be looking at suffixes ment, less, and ness. The suffix ment is the act of doing it. So, like, it will take a noun and it'll create a noun out of a verb. So, like, pay is something you do, and then the act of making of paying is making a payment. So it takes, pay and turns it from the verb into a noun, and that's what the suffix ment does. The suffix ness creates nouns out of adjectives and suggests like a state of being, like in laziness. So someone could be lazy, and then laziness is like a state of being. So again, it creates a noun like laziness out of the adjective lazy by adding the suffix there. The suffix less creates adjectives that mean without. So you have breathless, so it means like breath, and then it's breathless is to be without breath. So it kind of takes a noun and puts that. So like say you have laziness, and then you put like say you have breathless, not laziness. Say you have like breathless, and then you put the ness at the end of it, you would have breathlessness, and that would be when you take this adjective breathless that was started with a noun, then turned into an adjective, now it's back to a noun. This breathlessness is like the state of being without breath. So if someone has breathlessness, then it's the state of being without breath, and that's breathless is without breath. So go ahead and sort these. You probably have a fourth column for words like powerlessness that have less and ness combined. I think there's only a couple of them in that one. So sort these words based on which suffix they have, and then really think about like what they mean based on what each suffix means. Again, ment, less, and ness. And so here's your sort and just kind of review. Ment is an action or process, and it's going to be a noun that's created. So replace is when you take something and replace it, so that you replace it with the replacement. Less creates like an adjective, so someone without hope is hopeless. Nouns are with ness, and that creates like a state of being. So blindness is the state of being blind. Dizziness is the state of being dizzy. And so that's what ness does. And then you have these two over here that have both less, and then they go into ness. So you got to think, what does it mean? It means without what? Without power. Powerlessness would mean the state of being without power. Fearless is without fear. Fearlessness is the state of being without fear. And that is your sort on suffixes ment, less, and ness.